Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above a key area of support at around the $0.04339 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $0.0394 mark and the $0.2577 mark, in a move that has now given us a low at around the $0.03 mark. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, I believe we have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And all this is playing out after we peaked in the formation of this wave 1, after seeing a 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.06278 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis, give you the short-term scenarios, and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, which I'm expecting here on the long-term scenarios by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.10718 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do in the formation of that wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3. And this Elliot wave structure within the formation of this wave 3 is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala Games chart, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2 at around the $0.3 mark, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having that as the first wave. Then we have retraced in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, and having seen the low for this second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of this wave 3 to the upper side. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see another 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, and you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having that as the first wave. And I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, which lies between the $0.04356 mark and the $0.0418 mark, and it is within this blue target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave. And once we bottom out in the formation of this wave 2, then we can expect an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 right here in red, which is a higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. So in case the breakdown continues, maybe even see a breakout out of this channel that we are trading within to the lower side, and also lose our key area of support at around the $0.04336 mark, then there are high chances that Gala Games is going to get in this blue target area, give us the low for that second wave. And once we get that move into this blue target area, then we can expect our reversal to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And the key things that we need to continue watching is our key area of support at around the $0.04336 mark, because the moment we lose that, then there are high chances that we are getting into this blue target area and expect our reversal. We also need to continue watching this channel that we are trading within, which is a descending channel that could possibly give us a breakout to the lower side to get us into this blue target area in the formation of that wave 2. So that is what I'm expecting here here on the short-term scenarios, and those are my breakdown targets. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 46 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support lower prices in case the breakdown continues. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD you have been able to print a bullish cross, but you are seeing a bit of a sharp decrease in the buying momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bearish cross to fully support lower prices in the formation of that wave 2. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and I'll be keeping you updated.